If you're in the market for an ultra-light, very powerful laptop, the Huawei Matebook X Pro is worth a look. It's 13.9 inches, weighs only 1.33 kilos, and has an 8th Gen Core i7 U series processor with an NVIDIA MX150 graphics card. It's got 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, an SSD in 256 or 512 variants. We're looking at an ultra-light machine that's packing some serious punch. It's also got a very cool hidden camera in the keyboard. It's hard to innovate on the design of a laptop, so we're glad to see this feature. On the side, we've got 2 Type-C ports, one of which is Thunderbolt, and a full-sized USB port that actually fast charges your phone if you plug into it. We love this full-size USB port since we're not big fans of the dongle lifestyle. The speakers are Dolby Atmos, so you've got great sound, and we have a 57 watt-hour battery which should give you an afternoon in a cafe. We're genuinely looking forward to reviewing this device, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more great videos like these. I'm your host, Nicole Scott for Mobile Geeks.